Hello everyone, and welcome to our vlog, Marriage, Family, and Beyond. I'm Abhidan Shah. This is my wife, Nicole.
And this week, we're going to be talking about books that have benefited us in our marriage over the years. These are the first two books that I have to talk about tonight. One of them is for men only, and the other one is, of course, for women only, and it's by Shaunti Feldhahn. And she talks about, in each one, talks about the inner lives of men and women, what they're actually thinking about, maybe what they're feeling, and it just really helps you understand the opposite sex.
The one book that has helped me the most is The Act of Marriage by Tim and Beverly LaHaye. Now, you've probably heard that name before, but I'm telling you, this is one of the best all-time classics on marriage, and check it out. It's available, revised version, on Kindle. It is really good.
And the second book that I'm going to be talking about tonight is Staying Close by Dennis and Barbara Rainey. And this book is actually what it's entitled. It's about how to stay close in marriage. One thing that I really enjoyed about this book was the fact that after each chapter there are discussion questions that you answer alone, and then you come together as a couple and you answer a few questions together. So you are learning to stay close.
One of my favorite books is Red Hot Monogamy, Bill and Pam Farrell. And what I like about this book is that it talks about sex. Sometimes Christian books kind of skirt around the issue. This one actually talks about it. And the summary of the book says, "Did you know that the best sexual experiences are enjoyed by married couples?" That should be enough to go check out this book.
The third book that I would like to talk about tonight is, I forgot the title, is The 7 Days of Sex Challenge by Tony and Elisa DiLorenzo. We have been listening to their podcast as a couple for the last few months, and this is one of their very first books.
And the amazing thing about this book is it actually works. Hundreds and hundreds of couples have read this book and have taken that challenge, and they have seen a radical transformation. So go check it out tonight. Another book that I have really enjoyed is Men Are Like Waffles, Women Are Like Spaghetti by Bill and Pam Farrell. It's an awesome book because it really lays out for us the differences between men and women. Now, granted, there are certain things that you would say, no, my man is not like that, or my wife is really not like that, but overall, it's amazing how you actually laugh and at the same time you feel convicted because you go, yeah, there's a reason why I do what I do. So this is really one of my favorite books, and it's helped me many times in preparing my messages on marriage.
Another book I would recommend is Stripped Down, 13 Keys to Unlocking Intimacy in Your Marriage. And it's by Tony and Elisa DiLorenzo. And this book details the 13 keys of intimacy that will help you get closer as a husband and a wife.
And I'm sure most of you have heard of Chuck Swindoll, famous pastor, preacher, and he has written innumerable books. But this one, Marriage, From Surviving to Thriving, is an excellent book. As a pastor, I've used it many times and I have recommended it to people. I promise you, you will not be disappointed in this book. And Chuck Swindoll has a great sense of humor. You'll really like it.
And the last book that I would like to recommend is actually a devotional, and it's called Moments Together for Couples, and it's by Dennis and Barbara Rainey. And Abhidan and I have actually used this one over and over again. As you can see, it's kind of falling apart. And this is an excellent devotional if you are looking for something to do as a couple. It's very meaningful devotionals, it's Bible verses, but the thing I really like the most is at the end of the devotion is very thought-provoking questions for you and your spouse to answer, and it really can get good conversations going.
And we have recommended this devotional book and actually gifted it to many couples, and often we hear from them, wow, thank you for giving us this devotional. And Dennis and Barbara Rainey, through the years, have proven to be key spokespeople on marriage and just have a life of integrity. So definitely recommend their book. Now, the last one is my favorite author, H. Norman Wright, and he... Did it go away?
It did.
My favorite author when it comes to marriage and family issues is H. Norman Wright. I have read so many of his books, but this one right here, How to Speak Your Spouse's Language, helped me tremendously. And it just challenges you to put yourself in your spouse's shoes and think about what she is thinking and what's going through her mind. Because sometimes we just say what we want to say and act in ways that are selfish and self-centered. This book helped me, and there are many others by him. So in fact, I would tell you go check out his books, and you can buy them on Kindle right away. I promise you will love, love, love his writings. So we hope this episode has been beneficial to you. Now, Nicole and I both love to read, so it is easy for us to go buy a book or download it on Kindle or Audible and listen to it. But I know some of you it may be a little difficult, so I challenge you, find out what works for you. Maybe it's Audible, maybe just listen to the book, or maybe Kindle. You can share the book with each other and keep up with what the other person is reading. But either way, you need to invest in your marriage. If you want to see the results, invest in your marriage and see how God will bless you. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Look forward to seeing you again.